Have you gone through all my videos, shorts and videos? Please go through all my shorts and videos so that you can learn a lot of English. Those who know English can learn Tamil. Those who know Tamil can learn English through easy method. I have simplified, especially those who know Tamil. I have sent shorts so that they also can learn English very easy way. Okay, I have given both English and translated into Tamil. So that is why it will be very useful for you. உங்கள் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுகிறதுக்கு நல்லா கற்றுக்கோங்க. நீங்கள் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுகிறதுக்கு கற்றுக்கிட்டா உங்கள் பசங்களுக்கு கூட நீங்கள் கற்றுத்தரலாம். உங்கள் பசங்க கூட படிக்கிறாங்களே இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியமில், ஓகே, அவங்களோட நீங்கள் பேசி கற்றுக்கலாம். சார், பிக் ஃபேன், டியோ கேமிங் ஒய்டி. ஹாய், ஹவ் ஆர் யூ? How are you, Dio Gaming? What is your name? What is your real name? Dio Gaming?
It will take time for them to reply.
Okay. Big fan, thank you. Please. Oh, Nalanda, very good. Please, you share my videos to your friends and relatives so that I get more and more support from you all. Okay. Which class are you studying? Which class now? Which standard? Vasil. Nalanda Vasil. Those who are Tamils, those who know Tamil, oh, very good, 10th class. Which lesson is very difficult? You can write in English, which lesson is difficult? Can you tell me? Today I have sent one lesson, that is Mijbil the water. Please watch the full video. Watch my full video. Some are not watching. Please watch full video of the lessons. I prepare in advance. It takes me 1 hour or 1.5 hours to prepare so that I can explain to you in an easy way. Dio Gaming, tell me which lesson in English literature is difficult. Yeah, which part of grammar? Is it direct, indirect? Okay, I will teach you, don't worry. My video I have sent you, check in my YouTube channel. Please check direct, indirect, whether I have taught you all not. Otherwise, I will teach. It is very easy, direct, indirect. If you want, I will take a live tomorrow or day after. You can learn. I think for 10th class they may give indirect and ask you to change into direct. You watch my full video. Before learning direct, indirect, watch on tenses because tenses are more important before learning direct, indirect. Okay, present tense, past tense, because in direct, indirect, you have to, change present simple into past simple, present continuous into past continuous tense, present perfect into past perfect tense. Like that, you have to change. That's why I'm telling you better learn the tenses. Thoroughly you learn.
Upload you say.
Okay. I have already uploaded tenses. I actually started my YouTube channel starting from tenses because that is the base. Parts of speech and tenses I have taught very clearly. Okay. Still you don't understand, you can ask me. If you want direct, indirect, I'll teach in my live stream. Okay. So you can learn. Surely I will teach you, don't worry. You'll become thorough with that. Do you have supplementary reader also in English? Did you read all the supplementary reader lessons? If you want, I'll teach that also. Because you don't have supplementary reader. No, sir. Okay. Please go through my channel. Watch the video. Listen carefully tenses. Then you go to direct, indirect. It will be very easy. When you change from direct to indirect, first thing you have to do is you have to remove the commas, inverted commas, and so on. First thing. Secondly, reported speech, reported verb, that is said. Okay. Said, you can change according to the context. Why direct, indirect is not there? Oh, supplementary is not there or direct, indirect? Okay, I will upload it. Hi, loneliness. Who is this person? మీరెవరు? నమస్తే సార్ గారు. మీరెవరండి?
Slowly, writing slowly. Slowly, gaba gaba adappu. It will take 2-3 seconds to answer for them. YouTube won't allow immediately. Okay na? Slowly.
Which school are you? Loneliness. Which school are you?
Or something else, he will reply there.
Okay. So, Dio Gaming, I will upload Direct Indirect. It is very easy. Okay. First, sir, me learn in Nalanda, me your student. Name, please. Loneliness, your name. Watch all my videos. You have to watch full video. Whenever you watch any video, watch fully.
Clear about some topic ready, enough you said that clear about something else.
Gautam Prasad.
What say?
Okay.
Clear about some topic or personality development you talk, or how to behave with your parents you talk, or how to cultivate a habit of learning, how to write exam paper you teach. There are many things to talk. Enough of that nonsense you talk, some topic to talk.
So, direct, indirect, first you have to see whether it is in present tense or past tense. Yes, I remember Gautam Prasad, I remember you. Yes. Do you study well? Watch my videos on various topics. Some lessons also I taught in in my YouTube channel, Learn with Prasad. So in direct indirect speech, as I told you, change the inverted commas and find out whether it is in present tense or past tense or future tense. Oh, very good. Loneliness. You got. You are on top in English this exam. Very good, Gangarats. You are studying well. I am very happy. My students are studying very well. Yes. Which section? Okay. So,
Running YouTube channels, talk about your YouTube channel, not about them. Nonsense enough, Paddy.
very good. You learned basics from me. Very good. Yes. So next one, sentence, whether it is in present tense or past tense or future tense. I told you. Secondly, if it is, there are five types of, 5 kinds of sentences. Okay. So affirmative sentence, that means true statement. Affirmative sentence. And then interrogative sentences, that is question type sentences. Negative sentences using not not. Imperative sentences, imperative means command or request type of sentences. and exclamatory sentences. So when they give in indirect question, okay, first indirect speech is also known as reported speech. Okay, if it is a affirmative sentence, that means true statement. Okay, you can simply write, let us say, for example, the teacher said, all of you submit your notebook. The teacher said that all of us must submit our notebook. Like that, you have to change. Okay, simple present tense change into simple past tense. Okay, and if it is present continuous tense, changes into past continuous tense. Okay, I am going to market. I said that I was going to market. Like that, you have to change. Okay, I am becomes I was. Okay, like that, you have to change. Okay, I will teach you in a more detailed way. Those who have doubt in direct, indirect, okay, you need not worry about it. You understand? Okay, you read the question answers well, English, and all the formats also, formats of writing skills you go through before going for exam. Okay, whenever you go for exam, go through the format of writing skills. Okay, be it letter writing or paragraph writing or speech writing, okay, and so on. Okay, you should know thoroughly. Better keep a notebook and write the format how your teachers taught you. Format you have to be very thorough with, because for format they give 1 mark or 1.5 marks or 2 marks. That is very, very important. Okay, and grammar, reported speech, if you have active voice, passive voice, and then verb forms. Okay, verb forms you should learn. Okay, then determiners. In every paper they ask on determiners. Okay, you can go through the determiners also. Okay, what are determiners? What are determiners? I have taught in my YouTube channel. Please go through that on determiners. Okay, I will revise in my one of my live stream. I will revise it to you. Revise on determiners. Don't worry. Okay. Verb forms. Present tense, past tense, future tense. That is verb form. Verb agreement. Agreement with the verb. Okay. The subject should agree with the verb. For example, I play. But when you talk about he, she, it plays, like that. And then if it is a past tense, you have to use I played, like that. Okay. Yes, a word that modifies, describes, or introduces a noun. Okay, very good. You are very much interested in studies. Very much interested in studies, this boy. Very good. Okay, so verb forms. Verb forms also you should learn. Okay. So direct indirect speech, once again, as I told you, there are certain rules and regulations to change from direct to indirect. Okay. And what type of reported verb you should use, that you should know. If it is imperative sentences. Okay, what are imperative sentences? Command or request type of sentences are imperative sentences. Okay, command or request type of sentences are imperative sentences. Okay, for example, please bring me a glass of water. Okay, sometimes your parents request you, they need not request you. Sometimes your parents request you, okay, Rajesh, please bring a glass of water. My mother requested me to bring her a glass of water. Like that, you have to change. Okay. Rajesh, your mother said, Rajesh, bring me a glass of water. My mother requested me to bring her a glass of water. Like that, you have to change. Okay. Or this is a request. And the command, the teacher said, all of you submit your notebook. So this type of sentence, how do you change into indirect? The teacher ordered us to submit our notebooks. The teacher ordered us to submit our notebooks. Okay, they may add immediately. Okay, like that also they may add. So requested or commanded or ordered, these are all reporting verbs. They see the reporting verbs when they correct your direct indirect exercises, okay, questions, and then they see whether you have removed the commas and inverted commas and so on. But sometimes they may ask, they give reported speech, I mean indirect speech, and you have to convert it into direct speech. Like that also they may give. Okay. If they ask, change the following sentences into direct speech. Of course, in this type of question, you have to use comma, inverted commas. If it is interrogative sentence, question mark. If it is exclamatory sentences, exclamatory marks you have to use. You understand? And instead of requesting, commanded and so on, you can say said, like that. Okay, said you can use. Okay, asked you can use. Like that, you have to change accordingly. Are you able to understand? So be thorough with direct, indirect. You should not lose half mark also in grammar, because it is very easy. Remember, 10th class students, you have grammar in first year inter also. First year inter also, I think for 60 marks you have grammar. So you can't escape till first year inter. You can't escape from grammar. Okay, of course for life also you need grammar to speak better English. Okay, so that is why I am telling you. Are you able to follow me? And then literature reader also. Okay, for what is that? They may ask questions. Some 4-mark question or 5-mark questions or 2-mark questions. Literature, you can score very good marks in literature. Okay. And then comprehensive passages also. You can read the comprehensive passages. Okay. Very attentively you read. Okay. And before reading, one technique I will tell you. Before reading the comprehensive passages, first read the questions. That is very, very important. First read the questions, then have a pencil. The questions are already stored in your mind. Okay. So when you read the passage, answers will strike you. Okay, answers will strike you. You can find out the answer, underline or mark the answer with pencil. After that, you erase it. Or remember those sentences in which sentence you find answers. Okay. Some of the invigilators, they may not. Usually, invigilators, they don't allow you to mark any answers in the question paper. You take care of that also. No, Prasad sir told us to mark and keep. Don't say that time. They won't agree. Okay. That's why I'm saying first read. Okay. Read the questions. All the questions are stored in your mind. When you read the passage, it will give you answer to your mind, your brain. So that is the best way of doing that comprehensive passages. Okay. If there are hard words, you underline the hard words. Okay, so that easily you can find out if they ask any question related to those hard words also. Are you able to follow? Okay. If you have any doubt, you ask me. You put it in the comment whether my class is useful, whether my videos are useful. Okay. And I have given some, I have uploaded some shorts related to vocabulary or phrasal verbs and so on. Please go through all those. It will be very useful. Okay. So thank you for attending my class. Okay, all the best. Do well. Okay, bye. All the best. Study well. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Good night. Okay.